Not live yet. And then wait for the noise because I have to go live and then close it out. And they're going to be okay. Should be live now. If you want to send a text and confirm that it's live on my end.
Live on my end.
Okay, wait. If you're on YouTube, you got to get off YouTube.
I'm not on YouTube.
Oh, okay. That's what I meant, live on YouTube. Anna, did you confirm that they're on?
I just sent a text message to try it now.
Is Brad on this too?
How you see it on YouTube?
I don't know. You have to ask now.
You guys don't need to watch it on YouTube. You're going to be here.
On YouTube because you're going to throw off the recording on this end. So that's why I have to close YouTube on my end too, so I can't see it.
Matt, what's the link on YouTube?
People are saying that the link's not right.
It is just going straight to her page. I don't understand.
It's live.
Give me that crew. That tall chair.
Well, it's going straight to her page, but it's not live streaming.
If it's saying unrestricted, it could be that their internet is stopping it from going through. Sometimes you have to turn off your.
I'm watching and I have 3 people watching right now.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes it's internet restrictions.
Can you tell who's watching it?
Nope. Now you're about to get feedback. I got 6 watching now. Tell them if they make comments, I can tell who's in here. But other than that, I just see 6 watching.
It's just, they say it just brings you to your home page. Is that what's supposed to happen?
No, I'm unfortunately, I'm looking at it going live right now. Like I'm looking at the live feed.
It's up. They just have to.
It's up.
Tell them to just type in Karen Braxton.
I have 9 people, 10 people.
It's popping up.
I don't. Well, the link that you gave me doesn't do anything.
Tell them to just search Judge Karen Braxton in the search bar. I got 12 people.
Yeah, people are popping in now.
If you are watching this live on YouTube, can you comment with your name, please?
Can't find it. I had it.
Grandma, you're not trying to go on YouTube, are you?
No, darling.
Oh, okay.
My son may be trying on his phone. I don't know.
Okay, as long as he's not near you, I'm okay.
Okay.
I want to send Danielle the link so she know how to go on there.
Okay, so I have Aaron Johnson, Justin Pollard. He said, tell them to subscribe to the page. Ryan Shalady, Trejanae Fagan. Y'all know y'all got different names up here. Christopher Ramsey, Darius. So you got 14 people. So I don't know who can.
Everybody got it. I think everybody got it.
I think once we told them to search your name, they figured it out.
Okay. So yeah, they're sending messages. So, all right. That's not a part of your recording. That's just so they can see you. Okay. And I'm gonna go get started because I know referee Taylor has something else to do, but she was kind enough to do this for me and Star.
Which I appreciate. Thank you.
So, oh, I lost my glasses, but that's okay. I'll try to do it without them because I don't know where they are at this point. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, I can't find the button. I can see your phone, referee Taylor. Thank you. We are on the record in case number 20005805PZ in the matter of the application of Emmanuel Franklin Scott Pierce for admission to the State Bar. It is May 22nd, 2020, and we are convened remotely at a circuit court for the County of Wayne, City of Detroit. Can I have your appearances, please, Referee Taylor?
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Brandy Taylor, sponsor for Emmanuel Pierce.
Mr. Pierce, your appearance, please.
Good afternoon. I'm Emmanuel Franklin Scott Pierce.
Thank you. And Mrs. Pierce, the
Good
newest one.
afternoon. I'm Anna Pierce.
Thank you. Mother, your appearance for the record, please.
Star Pierce.
Thank you. And can I have the appearance of the grandmother at this time?
Loretta Carter.
Thank you. And the uncle, who is no longer in our view.
Derek T. Jr.
Thank you. And then we have Anna's parents who are present. If you can state your name first, ma'am.
Brian.
Ma'am. Debbie Lindsley.
And sir, your name.
Brian.
And lastly, we are going to go to granddad. Your name for the record.
Derek Teague Sr.
Thank you. I am going to mute everybody at this time so we can proceed with the ceremony. So we are here to swear in, but also to celebrate Emmanuel Pierce at this time. I first want to take this opportunity to say thank you to Star Pierce, who is the mother, who is also a very good friend of mine. Although I expected her and really wanted her to ask me to swear in her son, she did not have to ask me to do this. And so I am extremely grateful and I am honored for this opportunity to be able to not only share in this with you, but to also welcome and swear your son into the State Bar of Michigan at this time. I don't know Emmanuel very well, but I can say I know Star extremely well. And if you know Star, that means you know Emmanuel, because Emmanuel is her heart. And from the time he decided to go to law school until the time he got out, all I heard was Emmanuel this and Emmanuel that, and he's doing this and he's doing that, and he's amazing and he's wonderful. And so although I don't know you as well as I know your mom, Emmanuel, I know you to be a hardworking, intelligent, amazing young man who is going to be an exceptional member of the State Bar of Michigan. And so even before we get to that part, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the State Bar. You will definitely be an asset to the bar. With that being said, we are going to allow some parties of Emmanuel's family to speak, and we are going to start with his first lady, and that would be Ms. Anna Pierce.
All right, so I prepared just a little something to celebrate my wonderful husband. I'm going to try not to cry. When Emmanuel and I first met in college, one of our first conversations we had was about our hopes for our futures and what we wanted to achieve within our future careers. During these conversations, Emmanuel revealed that it had been his dream for a long time to become an attorney from a young age. You can tell by the sparkle in his eyes when he talked about it that it was a true passion of his. During our undergraduate days, I could already tell by his determination and hard work in his studies that he was well on his way to achieving his dreams. I have been privileged to be a part of his journey of following his dream through his preparations at the LSATs, his applications to various law schools, his acceptance to the University of Iowa, and cheering him on as he walked across the stage to receive his Juris Doctorate degree. I watched him put his degree to hard work through all of the preparation for the bar exam and cried tears of joy when he shared with me his exciting news that he had passed the bar. Through it all, I have never been more proud of his hard work, determination, and drive. Your passion for following your dreams has inspired us all. I know I speak for all of our friends and family when we say we're so very proud of you. I couldn't be more proud or blessed to call you my husband. Congrats.
Thank you. I love you.
Oh, that was beautiful. Now, no pressure, Star. You aren't his current first, but I still would submit that you still hold a very special place in his heart, and I know for sure that he holds a one and only place in yours. So this is your opportunity to share with him your feelings about this process right now.
First, I want to thank you for doing this. I don't take it lightly that you take your time to do this for me, and I truly appreciate it. Referee Taylor, I want to thank you for doing this for me. I know it's because I asked, so I really appreciate you guys taking your time. Emmanuel, I'm not going to cry, I promise.
But you already are.
I am so proud of you. Like, there are no words to explain the process you've been on. I remember taking you to school first grade, starting to confess that this was your plan. And we did it for so many years. And just to see you stay the path for the last 20 years to have this accomplished, I'm so proud of you, son. You have blown away every marker that people would say you should be. You've blown it away. And so I'm so proud of you. And I know you are going to do great things for whatever you do legally. So congratulations, son.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Now, I think she's crying already, but it is time to go to grandmother, Miss Loretta Carter.
Thank you, Your Honor. I just want to say I love the Lord because he blessed me with this child. I remember one day me and Emmanuel was riding in my hoopty. I think he was like 5 or 6. And I would always ask kids, what do you want to be when you grow up? And Emmanuel told me, I want to be the first Black president of the United States. And I responded, you can be the first Black president of the United States. And I always knew you were gonna fly. You like an old soul on a fresh rosebud. Emmanuel, I love you from my heart. And you're the first Pierce to become an attorney. My mother and father are shining down on you right now. They never graduated from high school. So I know they're with you all the steps. And me and your granddaddy, we never thought we could do something like this, did we, Rick? But we did. So keep flying, baby boy, keep flying. And keep loving each other, Annie and Emmanuel. And I'll always be here for you.
All right. Thank you very much, Ms. Carter. While I appreciate all the comments from the family at this time, as a jurist, the most important part of this ceremony is dealing with the motion that has to be made for his admission into the State Bar of Michigan at this time. And so that motion is going to come from referee Brandy Taylor.
Thank you. Your Honor, I move for the admission of Mr. Emmanuel Pierce to the Michigan State Bar. As I did, Emmanuel has committed to a legal profession at a very early age in life. He has a passion for supporting and encouraging people. And this is what it's, and I believe this is what will make him a great addition to the bar.
All right.
Your Honor, I would ask that you grant the motion.
Thank you. And it is my honor and pleasure, after all of the statements that have been given on behalf of Emmanuel at this time, in addition to the motion that has been made, the oral motion that has been made on his behalf to be admitted to the State Bar, it is my pleasure to admit him to the State Bar at this time. And upon presentation of a certificate of the State Board of Law Examiners recommending the admission of Emmanuel Franklin Scott Pierce as an attorney in this state, and on motion of Brandy Taylor, attorney in good standing in this state, it is hereby ordered that Emmanuel Franklin Scott Pierce be and is hereby admitted to practice as an attorney and counselor at law and solicitor and counselor in chancery in the courts of this state. This document will be signed on today's date. So congratulations to you, Emmanuel. You still have one last responsibility. And since it's the longest one, I hope I gave you a copy so we can get through it. And then you can have some time to celebrate with your family. But if you would please raise your right hand at this time to be sworn. Please repeat after me. I do solemnly swear or affirm.
I do solemnly swear or affirm.
I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Michigan.
I will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of Michigan.
I will maintain the respect due to courts of justice and judicial officers.
I will maintain the respect due to courts of justice and judicial officers.
I will not counsel or maintain.
I will not counsel or maintain.
Any suit or proceeding.
Any suit or proceeding.
Which shall appear to me to be unjust.
Which shall appear to me to be unjust.
Nor any defense except.
Nor any defense except.
Such as I believe to be honestly debatable under the law of the land.
Such as I believe to be honestly debatable under the law of the land.
I will employ for the purpose of maintaining the causes confided to me.
I will employ for the purpose of maintaining the causes confided to me.
Such means only as are consistent with truth and honor.
Such means only as are consistent with truth and honor.
And will never seek to mislead the judge or jury.
And will never seek to mislead the judge or jury.
By any artifice or false statement of fact or law.
By any artifice or false statement of fact or law.
I will maintain the confidence and preserve inviolate the secrets of my client.
I will maintain the confidence and preserve inviolate the secrets of my client.
And will accept no compensation in connection with my client's business except with my client's knowledge and approval.
And will accept no compensation in connection with my client's business except with my client's knowledge and approval.
I will abstain from all offensive personality and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor or reputation of a party or witness unless required by the justice of the cause with which I am charged.
I will abstain from all offensive personality and advance no fact prejudicial to the honor or reputation of a party or a witness unless required by the justice of the cause with which I am charged.
I will never reject from any consideration personal to myself the cause of the defenseless or oppressed or delay any cause for lucre or malice.
I will never reject from any consideration personal to myself the cause of the defenseless or oppressed or delay any cause for lucre or malice.
I will, in all other respects, conduct myself personally and professionally in conformity with the high standards of conduct imposed on members of the bar as conditions for the privilege to practice law in this state.
I will, in all other respects, conduct myself personally and professionally in conformity with the high standards of conduct imposed on members of the bar as conditions for the privilege to practice law in this state.
Please allow me to be the first person to welcome you and congratulate you on your admission to the state bar.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, that concludes this proceeding at this time. We are officially adjourned. Thank you, Referee Taylor.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Referee Taylor, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you all.
Emmanuel, what I
you,
did with my
Emmanuel.
other family is if they wanted to invite people that were on YouTube, you have 21 people watching right now. If you want me to invite them into this virtual courtroom, I can invite them in by providing my ID number and they can come in and give you your congratulations. We're not recording anymore, so your transcript is already complete. But if you wanted them in, they could come in now if you want.
Sure.
You don't have to. I just can't get together the same. So I'm trying to I'm trying to make it a little bit better, Emmanuel. You're not even excited.
I was
If you are
nervous.
watching this via YouTube, let me see if I can say it, put a message on here since I got this. If you are watching via YouTube and you would like to come into the Zoom courtroom to wish him congratulations, please use the personal meeting ID that I am providing in YouTube. It is going to be 392-834-9298. Do you feel any different right now?
How are you, man?
Am I supposed to?
Oh my God. You're just so chill. You're just like, whatever. I was like,
my crying out the way when I got my letter.
That's his nervous composure right there. He was,
oh, is it?
yeah.
I was like, oh, I'm about to pass out. I couldn't even finish my oath. I got to the end and just started crying. That's okay. You be real composed if you want to. This is pretty major because what was the pass rate this time?
It was lower than last year. I know that.
Was it?
Much lower than last year, especially for second time takers. It was much lower.
Oh, see, that's pretty major.
Yeah.
I want to say hi to Shani and Naomi. It's so
Hey
good.
there.
I love you both.
We
How
love
y'all
you
doing?
too. Very well during this COVID-19.
It's so good. Kiss and hug my
Okay.
baby.
As people come
Yes.
over, I'm going to go ahead and close down the YouTube if that's okay with everybody else.
What's up, Dad?